At this organic farm in Sardinia, good practices keep animals healthy and reduce their consumption of antibiotics, making their meat safer to eat. Drug resistance spreads from animals to humans through the food chain. To halt its transmission, the European Parliament is working on new measures curbing the preventative and collective use of antibiotics.
Io non utilizzo antibiotici. Nel caso in cui si intravedono sintomi, chiedo al veterinario cosa ne pensa e se utilizzarlo o meno su un determinato capo.
The preventative use of antimicrobials will be limited to single cases where the risk of a severe infection is high and certified by a veterinarian.
Il veterinario prescrive l'uso dell'antibiotico esclusivamente in presenza di malattie infettive, soprattutto di origine batterica.
Some antimicrobials will be reserved for human use only. MEPs also want to encourage the research into new antimicrobials and to impose the reciprocity of EU standards in the use of antibiotics for imported foodstuffs.
C'est vraiment très important de réduire au maximum la présence d'antibiotiques dans les viandes qui sont soit produites dans l'Union européenne, mais soit les viandes importées. C'est pour cela que le principe de réciprocité est essentiel.
Under the new law, only trading partners who comply with the same limitations as their EU counterparts will be able to keep exporting their meat products to Europe.